Hey, it's Carl from ArtWorks. So I had a client come in with these artifacts from the Augusta National Golf Club, and one of the things that they brought in was the golf ball that they had used to achieve this score. So the technique that I use to mount a golf ball is really very simple. I use Tulle. It's a very, very thin and sheer fabric that's almost transparent, so that when I'm going to wrap the golf ball, super easy, make essentially a little bag out of it. I'm going to twist that sucker up. Then I will put that through when I ultimately mount this. This was just a tester demo. Pick that right through. Make sure my date is set up right. Wrap some heavy wire around the back of that to hold it in. Hold it tight, and then just confirm that date one more time. And that's how I make a golf ball levitate on a piece of foam core. When I get ready to mount this all, that's what I'll be doing. Thanks for joining me, everybody.